to abide by the laws of Freemasonry and to do justice to its traditions, but most of all, to look after number one.
Many large bornos lean to deep back in my belly. In our good faski, they don't think I was saying. But you can say on them without melody. But Pizzy Jones and Dolly Grady. After wedding, every I can dream of the gar. Still, Mr. D-Bags, so I'm a car. Wel, dangos dy fawr i'r barnwr mawr. Gyti ar y stryd o fewn yr awr. Os ti eisiau bod yn uwch na'r ffeith, mae dy ffawriad bian ar y gweith. Yn y cyweniad sigla llaw, gan Mr. y Lodge ar job o ddaw. Seiri rhydd, hydi hunain er ei byd. Sharadane Kabuki, Sharadane Kabuki.
Hello, Waddy. What a lovely day. Funny handshakes all the way.
Sorry sir, I'm afraid I'm going to have to arrest you for knocking down that old lady. Oh, Grandmaster, didn't recognize you, the trousers rolled down. And how's the lady wife? Oh, it's not the wife. Sorry, terribly sorry sir, terribly sorry. On your way now, quick, sir. I'm sure I don't blame this little fracas on the gay black picket. May the force be with you.
A mini large bornos lean to deep